How to add chapters to YouTube video. Chapters make your videos easier to navigate. Let's break down how to add them step by step. So first, go ahead and open up YouTube Studio. So from here, go to the Content tab, and then from here, go ahead and select the video you want to edit. So for example, I want to edit this video. I'll simply click on this pencil icon to edit it, and then at the middle of the video, you'll find video details. So under that, you'll find title and description. So under the description section, you can go ahead and add the chapters. So go ahead and name it as chapters. And then go ahead and set the start and end for each chapters. For example, I want to add the intro, start, and end for this specific video, the chapter for that. So I'll simply enter that starting and end time of the intro, and then name it as intro. So after I save this and try to view the video on YouTube, I'll be able to find this under the description tab. So simply reopen the video on YouTube. And then once you scroll, you'd basically find the description, and then under that, you'll find the chapter. So by simply clicking on that end of the intro chapter, you can go ahead and skip that and proceed with the content. And that is how you can basically add chapters to YouTube video.